Hi Hope, so this is a quick primer on business development in Hubspot. I have already written down a lot of these, but I just wanted to quickly show you what a typical workflow will look like. Alright, so quickly I'll head to Hubspot, then come to contacts. I will filter by lead owner or contact owner in this case, and then I'm going to walk Brian Woolard. So first thing, I need to check if there's been some activity before, and it seems like there has been some activity. So I will check the sales inbox. Hope you have set that up. I am using this client because Outlook isn't really working on my computer. I'll have to reinstall. Alright, so Brian, I'm checking to see if we've had any exchange with him. So nothing with Brian. So here I'm going to email Brian, and I will come to Thunderbird. This is my own email. Okay. New. Alright, so this is an email copy that I have come up with. And so here is Brian Alan in CC, and then the topic. So I am going to go ahead and send this now. So send. Great, so it has sent. So I will then come back to Hubspot and log the email. So since I don't have Outlook right now, I can't log from inside Outlook. The Hubspot extension inside Outlook will enable you log, and it will transfer back to Hubspot itself. So whenever it's also going to pull that particular email into Hubspot, but because I'm logging this way, I can't do that. So I'll log and then create a follow-up task in 7 days. That would be on Friday, and log it. So the next follow-up will be on Friday, and that's about it. So the idea is 50 contacts or around 70. I'm not very sure about the exact figure, has been assigned to this Ivan BizDev account. So the idea is maybe we'll reach out to a couple of them every day while also doing the other admin duties. So now that we have gotten in touch with Brian, so next step, so we've sent the first email. So by the time we've been doing this for a while, there'll certainly be some replies. So this is where some of these steps will apply. But it's just basically sending the first email, sending the second one, like 4 to 5 contacts until we get a response. But if we do not get a response on time, then we would keep reaching out to them. But if we get a response maybe after the first or even the second email, then we'll have to tailor it down to the specifics of that very email. So that's about it. Bye bye. And PS, I hope it's all clear, but please ask me anything if it is not at this time. Thanks. Bye.